Let's talk breakfast sausage and planning ahead. There's a lot of excuses for not eating a good breakfast if that's something you choose to do before you leave the house in the morning. But I know that having a good protein, healthy fat, and a good healthy carb is a great way to start your day. And that's the way I choose to start my day. And I talked about these last week. I've got some turkey sausage already prepared. It's already mixed together and flash frozen. So I pulled this out of the freezer and I'm going to show you how easy it is to just transfer them into a container once you've done this, which this didn't take long either. We used a little bit for breakfast this morning. And then, like I said, I froze them and I pulled them out and now I'm getting ready to put them into a container. So I'm going to put you down so you can see what I'm going to do. What I did was I put them on parchment paper, and so I've already started one side here, and then you just easily cut between your turkey sausage, and then I'm going to go up like this, and I'm going to cut them into individual pieces so they each have their own square of parchment paper. Really nice and easy, right? My scissors aren't cooperating. So we'll do that one and that one. Okay, so that tray is done. And all you do is you grab them and then you stack them. It makes it really easy now to have breakfast ready to go. Something that you've prepared. You know what the ingredients are. And you don't have to worry about any extra additives. And this is truly just some spices and turkey. There's no, just wipe my hands. There's no egg. There's no bread. There's no fillers. So look how easy. I've got sausage and I've got another tray and a half over here ready to go. But what I tend to do is I make them thin, and in the morning I get out a few that are how many I need for my family or for myself. Set them on the counter, and I warm up my pan and everything, and it's ready to go. I usually, I take them out, or I guess where I was going with it is I take them out and get ready, come down, and they're thawed and ready to go into the pan. So it's really quick and easy, and it's a healthy way to start your day. And so Ken, how you doing? Thanks for joining me, and I'm glad you like turkey sausage as well. I posted the recipe last week. I'll post it again under this video, but it's so easy. It's sage, thyme, salt and pepper, a little paprika, and a little bit of garlic. That's it. And and a little bit of maple syrup. But if you're watching your sugar, you could certainly omit the maple syrup. I use a little bit less. I like the flavor, but I'm not worried about that little hint of maple syrup in there. Again, this is how easy. I'm going to pop the top. I'm going to put these in the freezer, and then I've got breakfast at my fingertips every day this week. So this was 2 pounds of turkey that I did this time, and I've got 28 turkey sausage patties ready to go. And like I said, we did have some for breakfast this morning, so it made about 32, and made 32 sausages out of 2 pounds. And again, you can make them the size that works best for you or your family. So I hope this is helpful for you, and I hope you are having a wonderful, great day. Talk to you soon.